And this is the last page. You're asked to graph f of x is 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 3. This thing has x-intercepts at 1, 0 and 0, negative 3. Pay attention to what's happening here, okay? 1, 0 and 0, negative 3. Halfway between lies the vertex. So that's going to be at negative 1. I know the x value is negative 1. To find y, I plug it in. Twice negative 1 minus 1 times negative 1 plus 3. It's going to be twice a negative 2 times a positive 2, and that's negative 8. So I need to count down to 8 and put a point on my line of symmetry. And there is my parabola. I know it's a parabola because the mother function is x to the second, because x times x is x squared. X times x equals x squared. That's how I know it's the mom function. 17. There's another parabola. Mother function is x squared. You're going to find your vertex. Vertex is at opposite b over twice a. So opposite of a positive 8 is a negative 8. A is a negative 2, twice a negative 2. This is negative 8 over negative 4, which is 2. I know I have a vertex at 2. I'm going to go ahead and draw in my line of symmetry. What I'm doing is I'm drawing in a line of symmetry. That was the letter H. Now to find K, which is the y coordinate, I plug a 2 in. Negative 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2 plus 4. I see kids pick up calculators on this, and you shouldn't need that. 2 squared is 4, times a negative 2 is negative 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and then plus 4. Something wrong with you if you can't do that. I don't even mean that mean, just like, why can't you do that? I don't get it. But anyways, 212. My little slash sign got off, but it's going to be right up there. I think that's 12 up top. And then here is my initial slope. I need to fall 2 and run 1. And she is a parabola. Kind of ugly looking there, but it is what it is. Here the mother function is x cubed, so I'm thinking about that mother function on the front, right? And we're just going to focus on shifts. We go right 1, we go up 2, so right 1. I'm going to draw in a new x and y axis. That would be right 1. Up 2 would be right here. And I have this initial slope of 3. So I'm going to rise 3, and I'm going to run 1. But since I have to draw this letter S, I'm also going to fall 3 and run back 1. There you go. Wasn't too bad, was it? Next up is the cubic root. Oh, by the way, that is definitely a bonus. This is a bonus. This is a bonus. All right. Graph that thing. 4 times x minus 2 to the 1/3 plus 4. We have a right 2. We have an up 4. And we have an initial slope. It's not that bad. We go right 2. I'm going to draw that in. I'm going to go up 4. I'm going to draw that in. And I'm going to rise 4 and run 1. Kind of hard on this small grid to do, but should be about in there somewhere. I have to fall 4 and run 1. Since I went up 4, I know it's going to be there. There's my 3 key points. Now this is x cubed. X cubed is the sideways guy. It's very easy to make the mistake there and not draw it sideways. But it would look something like that. 21 is also a bonus. The mother function is the square root, the arm. That's what she is. And what we have here, we have a left 3, down 2, and we have this initial slope. And it's equal to 2. That's all I need. Left 3, again, I'm drawing it in because it makes it easier on me. You don't have to, but you also don't have to pass my class. You can always take me again next year. Right? Right. All right, anyways, where was I? I know I'm going to be here, and since my initial slope is 2, I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. And I'm not too worried about the rest of the points. The rest of it is to draw the frickin' arm. It's done. Not bonuses. Not bonus. Not happening. That's old. That's Algebra 1. This is an Algebra 1 skill. It's not a bonus. All right, find the vertex form. This is going to give you your h and your k. You're going to be at x minus 2, quantity squared minus 2, h and k. What is your initial slope here? Your initial slope is that you rise 2, run 1. So 2. See how hard that was? Not a lot of 2's in that problem, but it wasn't too hard. Standard form, you're going to pick on some other point and plug it in. Oh, sorry, we didn't even have to do that. Standard form, we just take what we have and we work with it. To square something, you know you write it twice. X minus 2 times x minus 2 is x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, then minus 2. Distribute the 2. We're going to have a negative 4x times the 2 is negative 8x plus an 8 and then minus the 2. Do a combine like steps, like terms again if I can talk. And there is your graphing quiz. You'll have about 20 minutes to do it because the truth is it ain't that hard.